Ahwefo nyina akwaba edeba Attention TV so mamu nim say Attention TV a ode ya ode asem ye papa na de biara da so no nsem a etwebu wo man mu ni aman foforo so no ye de ba beda ya hwefo ne science na make a tell say brani abra no nyina ba mo de so be like wa share no wa comment e wo ye videos no so no subscribe to our YouTube channel no so ede account na busiafo enden nsem be ejetene ne awo ya man ga ne mo hanu say ede fa ba we bi kane na chese abrabo boni bi a owom a friend akos abaye no ho afeye pa hu na otum say yes obemu na first na ne dressing bi ni ade talent ska ana enye say talent no ane no mu nsema o ka say e ade na shatta e boss shatta sanso ye obi a na oni ni date obi a na o chese oni ni ye ni chocho mu ncho oni ni ye nyama bi na da abaye yi aba o ka say wasakra sanya manyama ni nyina we free me dressing ne ho nkro ne ba ni nyina wasakra abra kwa interview e wa asempa no sei e na bai wa no e kire ni nsem tiensem o kasafidie so asempa fm so ena de ne obetie no Pastor Andrews o so se o button so
interview de na so ma me ye
ojo we na ubisa no enti ode mu nkire mu nyina eba
oh okay yesa wakata so iti na oba me hu no
akata de so o de say ya
okay
na mu ai wo video ba ko so ma me na yenhwe ani so ade misrawo so onyo obi a spiritual we stronger me hwebi cause video ni bi anode wo hwe nyina na usre urade se urade bo me ho ban misrawo sane Job ejina ya o Job 31:1 no se urade mede mani na mede bo afore ade ama wo nadai aha sa pepe oya strong ahwiase o na senye nyame ne beje ayeye nua bai ade free obonefo no fidi sumu a ama mfidie no adwiri mfidie na bubua na ye nua ba timi ade ne ho a bibie ni we betimi ebetimi mana ukoso duru akire pa na onim se aburo bi a nipa bi born along the line nti ayaka ka de bi omoye ani nti na we say
o music vixen ti a music video
na be ma be no ne say
bia a director of the video no
no anka
because minimum say na minimum no this kind of dress
this year they also ayira o nyame na hen say
e buy na say me hwe na say minimum
kojo wa hwe ase kojo wa hwe ase
oh me hwe ase
kojo
but I am one mum
na dai abo be ne gina chiro no
ponko
na mo ye de na mo ye no pacho be mic na me okay
Mbachana ya video vixen video shoot
okay mama mfa wontwem obaba na so din utu ni fubi a wontie no obaba na so din waka cha na fa dwaman samo na wiasesam wonya bi onyai ne wo ya ne se ewiase niema afefa de ode ne ho agim besraw mame mano emra Facebook se sia no mehwe na ni so ade na onhwe de yenua baabi a okoduru ye ane de awurade aye e won nsra ban mu
okay
be say anu oden kojo anu oden aha ayina wu ye wo so alaji hwa wo so ane odwuma wo ye ne nadan ayina wu we nso yo no a na we ho afie ni
pacho me designer
o designer on the palm tade ma
that be actually
kasa good mic
actually met me aka English because
okay what the fafra how dey train your gun
okay so I used to model for her.
Okay.
And anytime I go to her house, that is, she used to ship clothes.
Okay.
So
na oton.
She sold them.
Okay.
So anytime
to Kosrani fee.
Yes, then I take a video shoot of it for her.
We now they are to Facebook.
Yes,
advert. To Facebook.
It's even in Instagram.
There's more advertising tade no. Na nkrofo akotobi. Enti we no nkrofo hwe omunim say wa na odu zikato. Ya just mu hunu nkrofo. Na mo dada nkrofo.
No ya advert ogina mu.
Me advert say
o advertise ya. No mo de dade nto o shi wi anom de achew.
Sometime omo de be mommy.
Okay. Okay. Young call the next video so I know said the old hair ni the audio so ha mo ko he
mpacho ye ko akosombo
okay mo ko here there
video shoots
okay
amo a certain artist which is not known yet.
Okay.
We went there for a shoot for him.
The we go to Zuru one cow your day. Come back one say. Now oh yes animonia now o dwen ho da say nka obetimi atom de say Castro de otomu. O dwen ho.
No me dwen ho
because
even as at that time now me war in the world, you know.
Okay.
Even still I was still praying to God.
Okay.
I still go to mountain to pray.
Now oh yes animonia now go so mountains.
Yes.
Mountains bay.
I mean to me Kai mountain, but
I've
been to Achua mountain too.
Okay.
I've been to some mountain, Ibri mountain and stuff.
Okay.
Sometimes if I go there, they used to tell me that you don't have to leave your hair like that. You have to scarf your hair. You have to wear long dress. Even the trousers, you have to wear it under. Before
mountains.
Yes, but
how do you do so?
Yes.
Yeah,
because I was thinking that okay, it's normal to be in the camp there, but when you come back to Accra, then it's like okay, it's normal to wear short dress.
Okay, you share a picture now on a SHATTA WALE.
Oh, on a SHATTA WALE picture.
On a SHATTA WALE pictures. And video into it.
Where
Atadria.
Yeah, the artist.
Okay, our guy no or
yes, we went to do a video shoot for him.
Okay.
Yes, please.
Okay. Indeed. Would
guy no die in the Atadwa. Atadwa na say Atadwa. Atadwa. Okay.
Okay, and okay, and down.
I remember this day.
Now home.
Oh, I remember this day. This day me home. Okay. So you hear towels.
And the man only the hefa.
Wine black.
Oh.
I remember this day. We were one of the days at SHATTA WALE interview.
Okay.
You could see on some guys and maybe can walk.
Yeah. But on Facebook comment in the go home na you betimi aken camera pam the amount. O join your Facebook so I know share live stream no e the amount. Ama onu e so atimi abaso and na no pay yasetram djumadi and I will share on Facebook and I will say tie and so radio so 94.7 FM. Yenyan wura asem ni mu but we yetete ho kakra. Video ba ku na me ba ku de na o chema me wata na we de wo pone so. Ha! Ai na wo betu this video na to ama me. Ba ku bi na o chema me wata kra. Ana wo de hu sa me hwe video na me yem hye me papa. Me de ba doctor say video we de o say etimi cover so. Ai. Bro Facebook says ya anti I say na o koja SHATTA xylophone
na ya koja no.
Okay.
Nti ya koja no na he has to introduce us to the world.
The world.
Yes, like the audience.
Okay.
This is the two artists that he's bringing on.
Oh, okay. Didn't say o ya dwum to ni. Yeah, na obeto dwum. Nti na SHATTA WALE be yi wa kire.
Yes, yemienu, yeah.
Mo ye two no. Di ba ko ndi odaso om.
Me commission by no na almost say BBS no free ho.
Okay. Ai. Oh, sa video no. Dey na so dan so za adwene no. Odini ko to bless ho. Okay. Sa video no mane enye krado mame na afi yentimi enhwe. Owa hene wa ha mene.
Okay, so later on my auntie's my uncle's job like yes, so later on he doesn't have enough to take care of me. So I have a friend who was just my friend. No.
Were you a virgin at that time?
No.
Virgin.
Something happened when I was a kid. When we were a kid, there was this guy I used to play with. And yeah, like you see this playing games, Pilolo and stuff. Pilolo.
Pilolo. Okay.
Yes. So one day we're doing mommy and daddy, those kind of, you know.
Mommy and daddy, yes. Pilolo. Any agrofo for cry.
Okay.
More question to them.
I don't know what happened.
Come on, me dada. Come on, me mama. So
that was what happened. That was how come.
Okay.
That one happened. So after that, I was with. Okay, so.
Can she speak Chi? Kunkum. Bangia, okay. As it was a catchy and a honton or opportunity, and do your old back over potokra.
Okay. Nte na me like na me was school nte na me hu me friend bi na or no there or Madina Accra.
Okay.
Nte na me wo ho. Nte ye gusu chat na I met him sometime na oba ye krom no. My cousin bi ono so ni papa ye what's it kakra into ono free outside they be every festival no oba into oba no na me kone ho that time no me papa ye panwani tapa me mama ye caterer
no e betwani
yes
na mama ye enu aduane ton
so that time no when I was with my mom like those time that was the early stage until many omo to me they are going to me call mo anytime ni papa ba down until you call honom no na ni friend be or a footballer
okay
so that's how
that time what he say
I can't really remember please
mama around a certain figure be
maybe I think 15 or
15
16.
okay
I can't really tell
okay
don't want to so as at that time then I met this guy who is the friend no na downfall no
two cousin no
my cousin na downfall no and I
meeting there na see
yes and say it was a festival actually
okay
festival na yeah celebrating no na makosha no until we are party to say bobo
okay.
A night and to say club but it's not club it's a forest something now yet me have is a program na anytime town nankasa no that is the festival we hold
okay
so ye call program ye chile na ninyama like no sex and stuff no but ye call party sa so that's how come according and he took my number we became friends for a very long time almost 2 to 3 years before that thing happened and I came back from school that was Tvgh Senior High we vacated so I went na me call efie nti efie na me call you know na me hu say wa chat me na me reply nti me reply na o ka che me say hey it's been a long time and you want to be my friend you want to date me. So I said, oh, you want to date me? Then we started relationship. So he used to browse. He was a Muslim actually. So since he used to browse, I didn't even know anything about that. It's a bad thing. Yeah, I thought okay, it's a normal thing. So I was with him. We were chatting. Then later on, I told him about my story, what happened, and he said, oh, he'll be helping me. So after my uncle was not able to help me to end, that was how come he was able to help me to finish my SS. So it got to a time that I have to leave the hostel because the money was not enough. I have to go and rent in the town there, and I'll be going to school. So that's how come I got to meet that. Yes.
Okay. So dating for how long?
I think 3 years.
Okay, and what happened to the relationship?
One day they told me that I can't marry. I can't marry a Muslim. Mean to me worry Muslim ni.
For some year kokotie ye hu mesi abayi esitire na brabo na obo na brabo poni asese ni de oso ama na nsa so say pa de Yesu asendua no eno a no basua nti ye ma no kwan ano nso an tade hyem kra asesa ne kase mu asesa ne nyama bi oye ni nyina asesa ma ye nyina no ye ni age ede ama no na afa so na ya de a chese ya ye nim se obi owi ase na so benya adwensakra na ofa Yesu Kristo se na kra na age nkwa na so odi ne nsam ne na hyede so ya de osro nyina edi ewusie nti ye nua ba no osro di ewusie ede ma na brabo fofora o ka sese ni paradia wafa ode ato no ho so nyame hwa no nya ne kese no ma na ho ode na ndio on fentumi mbo na brabo etene and I'm so Ghana for the donor air cancer. Man, son of Meko Ghana for being interest on. Kaisa social media handles me and attention TV into a bomb more dance over like a wash here. No comment or a video singing now, so no way channel no more dance here at the actual floor. Oh, yes, I was not a ratty a shrum. A bit more Casa, I dare you more shall done, no so share no shall see him. Or no so free, we are no castle, but for Jesus Christo, but say no dear. Says more shall do some cratch and caneno. Now, any young who sat by way cramp or no so better in some crample at a canny very soon, sometime to come. Ebusian for a hand on him, a some ABC. Kaisi social media handles and attention TV, will be like a wash and a comment, so share my bontia. Or Miss Amanda from Ohima, a chan.